everybody, it is Tree Monkey VR here today, and we're gonna make a video on the new update inside of Animal Company. Yo, you two come up here. Come on! Okay, so we got my friend Tyson here and Corbin today. Since Corbin won't stop commenting on my videos, beats out of my videos! Anyways, we're gonna go explore the new place, and I got a revolver in my hand, so if there's anything inside there, we're gonna kill it! Okay, anyway. I could have been warned.
Can one of you guys bring a flashlight?
Bruh.
Fine.
Matthew, I figured out a new trend. Stay, back up right there. You ready? New trend. You ready? This is super duper risky, okay? Please nobody see my cheeks. Please nobody see my cheeks. Stay in front of it.
Yo, watch this. We about to do the trend again, guys. Corbin, press the button.
I think it's VR guy. You might need this and stay up here. Yeah, you see that little thing moving over there? That thing turns red, you're done. Shoot it.
We killed it.
I killed it.
I killed it. What are you talking about?
Bruh.
What the
I
heck?
showed him like 20 seconds. We need this.
Okay. Where do we put it?
Get that on the ground. We need,
But I need to have room for my revolver. Never mind, I'm putting it inside.
there's a ginormous vending machine and we need to feed it supplies and then we put in one key card and then put our item in there and then put another one and it makes a giant burst.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's my dogs.
Hey, if you see somebody smiling, instantly shoot him. There's a next button here. Oh, there's a ducky. We need those two. No, we don't have the backfire. Why is it so hard to move?
There's a smiler inside of here? What?
Yeah, there's the next button. Smiles.
Bruh. I'm
Get on the roof. Can't see.
Whoa, what is these? What are these?
It's duck crystals. They drop ducks.
Bet. How much do they
Look behind you.
I killed it.
Dynamite at the thing. Watch out. Come in. Duckies.
Bruh.
Come on, Ducky.
Are we gonna come back? Since when did they add next box? Like what?
That's the only next spot. It won't stop.
Oh, okay. I cannot move. Sorry. Oh, there. Oh my god. I'm gonna be using up all my ammo. Just that squealing. What is that squealing sound? Yep.
Oh, there's the exit.
What is that squealing sound? Tell me.
Wait, here it is. My right. Please tell me this is it.
Okay. Dude, this is scaring me.
I actually have the thing.
I'm stuck.
It's a vending. It's not bad. No,
Dude, you're damaging me. Maybe like 75, I think. I don't know. I'm only using Fortnite
I have a
terms.
lot of Oh, yes.
Nah.
Why if you fall to your death? There's a very high possibility.
A next one? Another one?
No, not one of those. That thing.
Oh.
Bruh.
So, I got it.
You ordered. What the hell? Where do we put this?
I can use that.
Well, now that we're out of ammo. Dude, we should have brought a pickup. Scary. Oh my god. What was that? Keeping my gun up. I only have 2 bullets inside of this.
He's in there somewhere. I hear him.
Dude, this ain't the office. This is
not
the
over
back
here.
rooms. What is this? What are we doing?
What, haven't we already? No, we went upstairs with this. Look at you! Yeah.
Look.
This. That, yeah, I can. I'm gonna sit here.
Fine.
Oh, this one broke.
Hey. Wait, hey. I gotta use that grenade. Watch this.
Oh, wait, I can use this. Where's the back?
Alright, wait, give me a second. Let it explode. Big Coca-Cola. What's this? Where are you? Where are you? We could probably use that. I'll take the light. Wow. We could probably use it for the dark areas.
Like, it's not scary, it's just like eerie.
Yeah, it's backrooms, kind of. We need the loot. Yo, get this little monkey. Get this golden monkey.
Bruh.
Yo,
Okay, I wanna kill this. Not I'll get it.
wow.
Here, wait. Can you put on the backpack? The light.
Alright. Of course.
Can I put this thing on my back? These rooms.
Whoa, okay.
Wait, weren't we already in this room?
Yeah, we were.
Because there's still stuff. But we've been going up in the elevator. Oh, Matthew, I think we're in a loop.
16. Hey, you need this?
I'm gonna try something risky.
Anyways, everybody, thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe, and see you guys next one.